Hey traders, if you are using TradingView's free plan and you've been frustrated by that annoying 3 indicator limit, I have got some awesome news for you today. Yeah, we all know this dreaded message, upgrade to Pro to add more indicators. Super frustrating when you're just trying to test a strategy or analyze a chart in depth. But what if I told you I just found a simple tool that lets you bypass that limitation, no hacks, no shady stuff. And best of all, it's completely free. First, click the Indicators tab and search DIY Custom Strategy Builder. Yes, this one. Now let's customize this indicator. You can use its signals. Some are correct and some are incorrect. Now find the switchboard. Yes, here we go. Switchboard. Look, here is EMA, supply demand zone, PSAR, Ishimoku cloud, Heikin candles, Fibonacci, range detector, super trend, half trend, range filter, view up, Bollinger Band, STC, PBSRA, liquidity zone, fair value gap, pivot levels, fractal, and market season. Here is 19 indicators at once. I'm switching them off. Yeah, I'm back again. So this is the only indicator, and without any difficulties, any issues, you can use 19 indicators from this one. If you want to use EMA, click on it, and here is the settings to customize this EMA indicator. You can change its value. I'm replacing with this with 9, and you can change its color here. And here is EMA 2. You can add one more EMA, and you can change any of its value. If you want to use supply demand zone, you can turn it on here. You can use supply demand zone by changing its value. You can turn on zigzag, price actions, and so many more tools. It's completely free, but you must find each of these settings from below. You can use range detector, and you'll find its detailed settings. Its range filter. Yeah, here is the range detector settings. You can change its value. in your own. Look, here is so many indicators, and each of them has a settings to customize its values. If you found this helpful, smash the like button, subscribe for more trading tips, and drop a comment if you want a step-by-step tutorial on building your own combined indicator.